Hello, just so you know, April has brought back to back astronomy events, including the first meteor shower since January. Warmer weather has people spending more time outdoors, and those heading out after dark will have plenty to look for in the night sky, including the first meteor shower in more than 3 months. In addition to the trio of the upcoming astronomical happenings, April 13th through the 20th is International Dark Sky Week. Organizers said on their website, dark nights sustain critical wildlife ecosystems, strengthen the well being of our communities, enable scientific discovery, and preserve shared cultural knowledge and traditions. However, events are planned all across the country with activities for people of all ages. There are also over 270 international dark sky places around the world, including 172 in the United States. The full pink moon is expected on April 1st. Yep, it is the first night of the new month, which will be illuminated by the full pink moon. Although, contrary to its name, the moon won't glow pink on the night that it rises. The Old Farmer's Almanac said on its website, this moon heralded the appearance of the moss pink phlox subulata, also called wild ground phlox or creeping phlox, one of the first spring wildflowers. Other nicknames for April's full moon include the frog moon, the breaking ice moon, and the fish moon. The Lyrid meteor showers on April 21st through the 22nd. Shooting stars will streak across the sky the night before Earth Day as the Lyrid meteor shower reaches its peak. This is the first major meteor shower since early January when the Quadrantids put on a brief show shortly after the start of 2026. As many as 20 meteors per hour will be visible on peak night, with the height of activity occurring during the early hours of Wednesday, April 22nd, just before morning twilight starts. But if cloudy weather obscures the sky, onlookers will have another chance to spot shooting stars on the following night. The Lyrids are likely not connected to the spite of fireballs that flashed over North America during March, including one that hit a house in Houston. After the Lyrids, the next meteor shower is the Eta Aquarids, which begins on April 19th, but doesn't peak until the night of May 5th through the 6th. However, the moon will meet up with Jupiter on April 22nd. Just one night after the Lyrids peak, the crescent moon will hang in the sky next to Jupiter. The duo can be seen in the western sky and doesn't require a telescope, even in big cities with light pollution. Stargazers with a clear view of the horizon should also be able to see Venus next to the constellation Orion not long after nightfall on April 22nd. April will be the very last time Orion appears in the evening sky till the end of the year, as from late spring into autumn. It is in the same area of the sky as the sun. This includes Orion's belt, a light of 3 tight-knit stars in the center of the constellation. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you liked what you saw, click like or subscribe below.